Hello, everybody. Good calling for all the faster. So we are going to talk about intermittent fast. How do it keep the people? Hello, Dr. Natu. Hello. So today, how to use the intermittent fast. I'm talking about the functioning of a human being, and fasting is uh, a medicine. And we are talking about the, the better things we have when you are fasting. So during the intermittent fast, so when you do it, generally it we advise those we had was sick in the long time. He has been sick since 6 months or so. So we can fast in the morning until in the afternoon. So you fast, but we are able to drink water as that hydrate first. In the second day, you do the same thing, but you eat fruit and vegetable and until in the afternoon. And you fast, you stop a moment and you begin another, and you do it from your possibility, and you are able to drink if you want. You are able to eat fruit and vegetable, but you have to avoid all the things you cook it. So you can't fast from the morning until 12 o'clock. That depend on you, but you have to respect your fast. You can't drink water if you want. You can eat fruit and vegetable if you want, and you can fast without eating anything also. So in step by step, you will destroy the sickness and you will grow up and be better. So fasting is a medicine, and and you can use it in order to fix yourself. So thank you very much, Dr. Nati. So today we are going to talk about that